This is a 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a heavy-duty suspension, a navigation system, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, chrome wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a security system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, dusk-sensing headlights, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 14,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Mac Haik Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 515 North Interstate 35 East in DeSoto.